Login failed on Cleo Fix. If you're trying to log into Cleo and keep getting an error, you're not alone. The Cleo chatbot relies on secure connections to your financial accounts, and sometimes those connections can time out or get blocked. But don't worry, the fix is quick and easy once you know what's causing it. First, check your internet connection. Cleo's login process requires a strong and stable connection. Avoid public Wi-Fi or VNS since they can trigger Cleo's fraud protection systems. Switch to your personal Wi-Fi or mobile data and try logging in again. Next, make sure your Cleo app is fully updated. Head to your App Store or Google Play and check for updates. Outdated versions often cause login or server sync errors, especially after Cleo releases new features. If the issue happens when Cleo tries to connect to your bank, your open banking authorization may have expired. These permissions typically last 90 days, and Cleo needs a fresh approval to access your account data. Simply reconnect your bank from the app settings, following the on-screen prompts. If you're using Facebook or Google to log in, make sure you're selecting the same account you originally used when signing up. Most people get this wrong, but here's why: Cleo links your login credentials to a specific account, so using a different one will always fail. If none of that works, clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Cleo Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. Your data will still be there. Once you regain access, consider enabling biometric login or PIN access for smoother sign-ins. So, the next time your Cleo login fails, remember it's not you. It's usually just a simple refresh issue. With a stable connection, the latest app version, and updated permissions, you'll be back chatting with Cleo about your finances in minutes.